it's the old saying. I heard lyrics from Kurt Cobain. Yeah, and I wake up to see the world's hell. Straight from these orange bills. How many kids have these wars killed? How many families can't afford bills? Hey yo, I wish that I could let the world know that it's okay to let the pain show. And even though the times seem bad, we're praying for the rainbow. Remember that. Controls everything we believe, and I can see we're in our darkest hour. Cause it feels like the government just as crooked as these police. I spent the week catching up in the news. My dog come in the shoes, she was floating in school. But some girls told her she wasn't cool. We took her back and got like a bad famous person praying the whole out of the view. It's my nice, my dress and jewels. It's on the my nice, I'm supposed to lose. Just cause the night stops, they all like my side. When the boy with some dirt in the flow, singing with me now. Training for the stuff like they tell you.
But I'm here to tell you. Fuck what they tell you.
That's real shit, Cause it means all time. I look forward to the generation that claim to be saved and supported from now in my time. We see the truth through the dark eyes. Dealt with the